The rise of fintech in Africa, transforming financial inclusion and economic growth. In 2024, during my visit to Ethiopia, I witnessed firsthand the transformative power of fintech and its potential to reshape financial landscapes across Africa. Conversations with leaders of innovative companies like Kacha Financial Services, Daruj, Chapa, Santimpe, Arifpay, and Telebir highlighted the immense strides being made in bridging the financial gap for the underbanked and unbanked populations. These companies are not merely building financial platforms. They are redefining access, empowering individuals, and fostering economic resilience. With over 1.4 billion people in Africa, of which 57% remain unbanked, the fintech sector is uniquely positioned to address these challenges. Ethiopia, a country of more than 120 million, exemplifies the potential of fintech, with approximately 34 million unbanked adults offering a vast market for innovation. This video explores the fintech landscape in Africa, focusing on the successes, challenges, and socio-political factors shaping its growth. The African continent has long been characterized by gaps in financial infrastructure, limited banking access, and low levels of financial literacy. Yet this has paved the way for innovation. Fintech companies are leveraging mobile technology, digital payments, and microfinance solutions to reach individuals and businesses in ways traditional banking systems could not. Africa's fintech sector has attracted global attention, with $3 billion in investments in 2022, marking a 17% increase from the previous year, African Tech Startups report. These investments reflect the growing confidence in Africa's ability to adopt and scale fintech solutions. Platforms such as Kacha, Daruj, Chapa, Santimpe, Arifpay, and Telebir are spearheading the transformation of financial services in Ethiopia, where mobile penetration stands at 85%. These companies provide not just access to financial tools, but also empowerment, fostering entrepreneurship, reducing inequality, and driving inclusive growth. Kacha Financial Services has emerged as a leader in Ethiopia's fintech landscape, providing seamless financial services across both Ethio Telecom and Safaricom SIM cards. With a mission to democratize access to financial services, Kacha offers a comprehensive suite of digital solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of its users. Send money, secure, instant fund transfers to individuals or businesses. Bill payment, convenient payment options for electricity, water, internet, and other utilities. Airtime, hassle-free top-ups for mobile airtime. Withdrawal, safe and reliable access to funds. Digital lending, quick and streamlined access to loans. Remittance, cost-effective cross-border money transfers. Crowdfunding, a platform to support or raise funds for causes and projects. Kacha's bill payment service is particularly noteworthy, offering users the ability to settle utility bills like electricity and internet directly from their phones, eliminating the need for physical visits. By digitizing microfinance operations, Kacha also enables institutions to reduce costs, enhance efficiency, and expand their reach. With a focus on financial education, the company ensures that users not only access services, but also gain the skills to manage their finances effectively. Daruj Financial Services operates in Ethiopia, Dubai, and the USA, providing a lifeline to underserved communities through microfinance loans, mobile banking, and remittance services. The company's mobile banking platform enables users to access services without the need to visit physical branches, which is particularly beneficial in rural areas with limited banking infrastructure. Daruj's remittance services are vital for the Ethiopian diaspora, offering competitive fees and efficient cross-border money transfers that contribute to family and community stability back home. This dual focus on domestic and international financial needs positions Daruj as a key player in Ethiopia's financial ecosystem. Ethiopia's transition to a cashless economy is bolstered by platforms like Chapa, Santimpe, and Arifpay, each addressing unique needs in the digital payment landscape. Chapa focuses on empowering businesses with seamless digital payment solutions, supporting the country's growing e-commerce sector. FutureMind offers user-friendly digital wallets, simplifying everyday transactions for individuals and businesses. FutureMind provides a secure and robust payment gateway, bridging gaps between consumers and merchants and enabling cashless transactions in retail and beyond. These platforms not only enhance convenience, but also foster financial inclusion by integrating modern payment systems into everyday life. Telebir, Ethiopia's premier mobile money service, has revolutionized how people manage their finances. From deposits and withdrawals to bill payments and transfers, Telebir has brought millions of unbanked Ethiopians into the financial fold. By making digital payments accessible and affordable, Telebir has become a cornerstone of Ethiopia's fintech landscape, driving economic inclusion and fostering digital literacy. Ethiopia's fintech sector is witnessing remarkable growth, driven by a combination of technological advancements, government initiatives, and the increasing accessibility of digital financial services. With a population exceeding 120 million, Ethiopia represents one of Africa's largest markets for fintech adoption. The number of fintech users in the country has surged in recent years, signaling a shift towards a more inclusive and digitized financial ecosystem. Mobile money users. Platforms like Telebir have brought millions of Ethiopians into the digital financial fold. With over 30 million active users, Telebir has transformed how people send money, pay bills, and access essential services. The widespread adoption of mobile money is a testament to its simplicity and utility, especially for the unbanked population. Small business owners. Entrepreneurs and small businesses are increasingly turning to platforms like Chapa, FutureMind, and FutureMind to process digital payments and manage their finances. These tools enable small businesses to transition from cash-based operations to efficient digital systems, fostering growth and reducing costs. Diaspora communities. Ethiopia's diaspora, estimated at over 3 million people worldwide, plays a crucial role in the country's fintech ecosystem. Platforms such as Daruch Financial Services and Telebir enable seamless remittance transfers, helping families and communities back home. Lower fees and faster processing times compared to traditional remittance services make fintech an attractive option for this demographic. Microfinance beneficiaries. Through platforms like Kacha Financial Services, microfinance users are experiencing faster loan approvals, reduced costs, and improved access to financial education. This segment is pivotal in bridging the gap between traditional financial institutions and underserved populations, particularly in rural areas. The rise in fintech users is underpinned by Ethiopia's growing mobile penetration, which stands at 85%. The dual presence of Ethio Telecom and Safaricom Ethiopia has expanded mobile service coverage, creating a strong foundation for mobile-based financial platforms. Fintech adoption is particularly strong in urban areas, where digital literacy is higher, but rural regions are beginning to catch up as connectivity improves. For millions of Ethiopians, fintech is no longer a luxury but a necessity. From paying utility bills through Kacha to transferring money via Telebir, these platforms are becoming integral to daily life. Small business owners use FutureMind to receive payments, while young entrepreneurs leverage Chapa to facilitate e-commerce transactions. While the growth is promising, challenges remain. Limited internet access in rural areas continues to hinder the reach of digital financial services. Additionally, low financial literacy among certain demographics restricts the adoption of fintech tools. Addressing these issues will be critical to ensuring that the benefits of fintech are accessible to all Ethiopians. With government support and increasing investment in infrastructure, Ethiopia's fintech ecosystem is poised for significant expansion. Projections suggest that the number of fintech users could surpass 50 million by 2030, unlocking new opportunities for economic inclusion and innovation. As platforms like Kacha, Chapa, and Telebir continue to evolve, they are not just meeting existing needs, but also shaping the future of finance in Ethiopia. While mobile penetration is high, internet access, particularly in rural areas, remains limited. Fintech services reliant on stable connectivity often face challenges in reaching remote populations. Fintech companies in Ethiopia operate in a highly regulated environment. The lack of a clear and consistent framework for digital financial services can slow innovation and deter foreign investments. Companies like Kacha and Chapa navigate a complex regulatory landscape to deliver their services. Recent conflicts in Ethiopia have disrupted economic activities and delayed the implementation of supportive policies for fintech growth. Political uncertainty can hinder investor confidence and stall the progress of digital financial services. A significant portion of Ethiopia's population lacks basic financial literacy, making it challenging to onboard users and retain them. While companies like Kacha are investing in educational initiatives, the gap remains a critical barrier to adoption. The growth of fintech in Ethiopia is deeply influenced by the country's political and economic policies. Protectionism. Ethiopia's tightly controlled banking sector restricts foreign fintech involvement, creating opportunities for local players, but also limiting global partnerships. Policy delays. Slow policy formulation and implementation hinder the scalability of fintech solutions. Geopolitical influences. Partnerships with countries like China and the UAE are shaping the fintech landscape as Ethiopia seeks to balance local innovation with international cooperation. Despite these challenges, government initiatives like Digital Ethiopia 2025 aim to promote digital transformation, offering a framework for the fintech sector's growth. Africa's young, tech-savvy population and vast unbanked market present immense opportunities for fintech growth. Companies must address existing challenges to unlock this potential fully. Rural connectivity. Expanding internet access to rural areas to enhance reach. Regulatory clarity. Establishing consistent policies to foster innovation and attract investments. Education. Collaborating with NGOs and governments to close the financial literacy gap. Public-private partnerships. Aligning fintech goals with national development strategies. The rise of fintech in Africa is a testament to the continent's resilience and innovation. Companies like Kacha, Daruj, Chapa, Santimpay, Arifpay, and Telebir are not just redefining financial services. They are empowering individuals, fostering entrepreneurship, and driving inclusive economic growth. While challenges remain, the potential for fintech in Africa is unparalleled. By addressing regulatory, infrastructural, and educational barriers, the sector can continue to transform lives and build a future where financial inclusion is not just a goal, but a reality. Investing in African fintech is not just about profits. It is about shaping the future of a continent. Africa's fintech landscape is brimming with opportunities, innovation, and potential for transformative growth. If you are interested in exploring fintech opportunities in Africa, whether as an investor, entrepreneur, or organization, we are happy to consult and discuss how you can engage with this dynamic sector. With insights into key players, emerging trends, and the challenges of operating in the region, we can help you navigate the complexities and unlock the immense potential of Africa's fintech ecosystem. Feel free to reach out. We look forward to collaborating and shaping the future of finance in Africa together.